tutorial is for what I originally thought was going to be 3 different hairstyles using scrunchies, but all 3 can basically be done a different way. So really 6 different hairstyles. I've just been loving scrunchies lately. I got sent some by a couple brands that I will link down below, and they're so cute and just make your hairstyles just a little bit more fun and whimsical and cute. So I hope that you guys like this tutorial, and let's get started. So to begin doing this double and single twist, you just pull your hair into a half up style using a small clear elastic. You split the ponytail in 2 and you loop it through the top, and then you pull out the sides of the twist to make it a little bit fuller. And I just popped that scrunchie right over the elastic, and then you could just leave it with 1 twist, but I wanted to do 2, so I did the same exact thing, taking the hair from either side right underneath that, putting it in a ponytail, looping it through, and putting a scrunchie right on the elastic. Now for these 2 pigtail styles, I just took small clear elastics again and split my hair down the middle and put them right to the side and pulled out any face framing pieces that I wanted to, go figure, frame my face. And then I just popped the scrunchies right over the elastics, and you could leave it as these 2 cute pigtails, like they look cute too, or I wanted to do fake fishtail braids. So I just took 2 more elastics and I put them probably 6 inches down. It depends on how long your hair is, of course. And then I split those in half and twisted backwards through, and then you just pull them apart and they look like really thick, beautiful fishtail braids, but they're not actually, and they won't fall apart at all throughout the day, which is so nice. Then I just put the scrunchies at the bottom to cover those elastics, and you have these 2 really cute little bubble braid fishtails. Okay, for the last style, you're gonna pull your hair all the way up into a high ponytail, and I like to leave out just like right around my ears and my bangs and just like wispy pieces in the front. I have been using these kind of bungee cord elastics since I've gotten my extensions put in, and they are a life changer. You can put them in as tight or as loose as you want. So for this, I wanted it pretty tight so it would stay up top. And then I just put the scrunchie right over the ponytail elastic, pulled out pieces, teased the ponytail so it looked way thicker, and just made it more of a messy ponytail style, which I love. Originally, I wanted this to be a messy bun, so to do that, I just twisted my ponytail loosely and then twisted it around, tucked the ends, and put in as many bobby pins as you need. Then I just stretched out my scrunchie as much as I could, carefully put it over the bun, and that is it. So I hope that you guys loved this tutorial as much as I did, and I will see you next time with another one.